Hello, and today we are going to be making strawberry shortcake. So right now I am cutting the strawberries because you need 1 quart of strawberries sliced in half, a cup of sugar to cut, half a cup of sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. I felt fancy, so I put on an apron. You also want a cup of cold butter or margarine cut into small pieces. And 1 cup of milk or water. Right now, I am making the glaze for the strawberry shortcake. If you hear music in the background, that is me playing Strawberry Shortcake by Melanie Martinez. People all around me watching closely. Merry Christmas!
What is this?
So I had a project for school to do a how-to on something. So I made a strawberry shortcake.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Well, do you want to take it with you on your vacation?
No.
No, this is for you.
Oh, thank you. Do you need
Yeah.
to film me receiving it?
Yeah, it's fine.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I have no idea